What's up, guys? This is Chris with Sonoma HVAC. Just gonna talk about the new toolbox. It's OEMTOOLS. Got it for $4.99. I didn't see any videos on it, so I'm gonna give it a review. The casters are really nice and smooth. The only thing I don't like about it is you can't open both drawers. But if you push it, it's auto close. Plastic top. It's got lock on it. I got some accessories. So far, I'm impressed. I recently got all the EVA foam tray kits. Above it's actually carbon fiber stuff. The screwdrivers, didn't think I'd like them, but they're actually pretty nice. But I'll do a review on all those ratchet and wrenches. I'll do all those loads. I want to show the toolbox. It's a pretty deep drawer, lid shape. These bottom casters. That was my tool. That stool thing. I don't really use the drawer. But I put a description. I think it's 24596 or something like that. I'll post that in the description of the video. I think this was 89. It's pretty comfortable, you know, it matches. But this is kind of a matte finish, plastic. Pretty cool. I like it. Very impressive.